another Epicflows Production.
We on top again. We no matter what them do, we no matter what they say, them can't bring for we plans on the way. And we on top for sure. We no matter what them do, we no matter what them say.
Heal up. Rasta GPS at your service. Why on the data charge, boss?
Ratted. I went since they start have Rasta GPS in a BMW. Them not joke. Yo, Jed. Me and my sweetheart I try catch a 7 o'clock show out at the Cineplex. Me I try find the fastest way to get there before the film show start. See if you can help me out with that, saying?
Then the Cineplex not just out halfway through the boss. How comes you live at Kingston? I don't know if you catch a halfway through without GPS.
Just cool, Dread. I must usually take go to work still. I know my virgin skater, my bar and beam for sports for the night.
Yeah, man. I am used to when me get direction from this car, yeah. Me can't believe Skeeto trust a handicap looking dwarf like you for drive him Chris car.
How you call handicap punk? You say like me no like get ignorant in front of me, sweetheart. Back off of me cockroach.
Hi there, Empress. Are them kind of man you deal with well love pose off in a people car? You can do better than that, you know, sister. If you left this cartoon and get yourself a cha-cha boy with a fat bank book and thing.
Hey, you look a fussy GPS. Cause scratch yourself pan a barbed wire. You go on like you're not rate my program.
Darling, please don't get upset. It's just a machine. Don't take it to heart like that. You and I know that I am not a material girl. So no pay the GPS, no mind.
My girl, stop behave like you don't have no ambition. Run the broke pocket, boy. You want a man who can give you enough chips like a casino. You look too bashful with man who have no cash.
But where the blood cubs kid to get this ranking to your GPS from in I'm car? Rasta, just start the blasted direction and make me go where me a go before me empty a magazine in your blasted mouth.
Alright, sir. Let me allow you before you drive a flea market BB gun for me. Now no buckle up please, because it's the law. Driver, beg you head towards Fremont Avenue. Then look after you pass the Shell gas station. Make the first right.
But damn time you start give me direction and stop disrespect me. See me one behavior girl, buckle up because you might have to step on the gas car we well late. Damn love about GPS I roll up an argument with big man like him know nothing about me.
Watch your speech, my youth. Disrespect me again, I am not gonna like what me saying you. Remember say you're a rookie in this league, you know, you idiot boy.
Okay, enough. Mr. GPS, could you just continue to give us directions to the Cineplex? I am getting a bit tired of you trading insults back and forth. I am trying to have a lovely evening and I don't want anything to spoil that. Please.
No disrespect, daughter. Accept I and I apology. Zane. My youth, you know see you miss the right turn back there, so. I don't write it there though.
Bombard. Cha. You just mess up my brain that me not even concentrate good. Alright. Let me turn out the scrap yard and drive back up the road.
Kiss me left speaker. How about that you run over? Fred Flintstone. You can't see where I go. You look like you can't even drive to Blurt Neat. If I saw you go drive by the time you reach the theater, you must mash up the man be Matarati.
Me no know what that in a star. But we late and me can't bother stop to see what. When me make the right turn, when we go?
Remember say at the left you got turn now in the book because you can't drive on the other side of the road. When you make left turn, keep straight till you see one red and white minibus hides up on some cement block. At this so, you go bus a right turn on Webster Street.
Yeah, me see the minibus now at the distance. Then I'll make them left the bus on the roadside catch up, sir.
Now the blasted boy them from over Dunrobin Avenue thief off the man tire off him bus as him turn him back. Me hear say the man just stop for buy a pack of cigarette and when him come back out, him bus missing the 4 tire and the spare. The ghetto youth them no easy no star.
That no right at all. The youth them feel look walk and stop walk and thief people things there. John no say ho, me roof for them things there. At 5 o'clock every morning me wake up to do some hustling for make some dollars. So me and my sweetheart can live nice. Now show me loud sponge.
They know your hustle so whole damn day and still can't afford toilet paper. My youth, That the hustling a waste of time. If you have to pose 66 in a barrow car.
Rastafari knows that your mouth can run like any diarrhea. After Webster Street, what is the next turn?
You go drive past a plaza on your left hand side. In that the same plaza there, a businessman did shot a Babylon boy if he raid him hardware store and confiscate him £2 of weed. Me hear say Mr. Gibbs draft him Glock and light up him blouse and skirt. The police boy there forever thief people herb and sell it back to him gunman friend them.
Boy, me have to take bad things for a joke. How you know so much things while going out the street for your GPS?
When me ride with Skeeter, me am always a reason and thing. Me article that man. Me like how him flex. Him no behave like you were going like some puppet.
Me not even going to dignify that with a comment. Me just passed the plaza. How much further this Cineplex there from here, sir? Me have another 15 minutes before the show start.
Well, step on it. You have 2 more miles to go. From here, so, you go look out for one little youth who sell 1 bag of Negril t-shirt. Me no know where the blood cut him no carry the same thing them go sell tourists them on the North Coast. How him think a Kingston a wear Negril t-shirt? Blinking idiot.
Oh, it's true, O'Neill. Look up there. I think I see the little boy him talking about. See him holding up the t-shirts there?
T-shirt, t-shirt, oh, t-shirt.
Daughter, you nice see? Me love how you run up your mouth and articulate the word them so.
Take your yaya from me woman. She no color TV, so stop watch her.
Ease yourself, mosquito. Me I try penny how this nice intelligent daughter end up with a maga face monkey like you. You look like all your feet pan a beer crackers and dry bread tumbler meat.
Yes. Talk to me. Oh. Well, I'm Skeeter. Me there. Soon reach still. Dread, me not drive your car again till I change out your GPS, you know. This Rasta GPS you have in your beamer rank like a Miss Mavis 2-day-old chimney. That GPS here would make all Christian cuss bad word to neck back.
Yo, profiler! You have a working charger for that cellular there. A Blackberry that or an Easeberry. You have any credit left on it, boss? You don't answer me.
Ah, boy. Me not say nothing to you, you know. Listen to me, Mr. Chatterbox. Just tell me how much further me dep on the road, yeah. Saying?
You have about another mile before the next turn, Mr. Profiler.
Simon, baby. We might miss about 10 minutes of the show. You don't mind, right?
No, O'Neill, it's okay. Just drive carefully, please. No need to rush, darling.
Why? You really have a very airy princess. Pity you don't have the basic necessities to minor. Where your car go for dinner, by the way? Nobody go carry your price post go the island grill go feed her chicken and chips, you know. The woman want a nice steak dinner for a change.
You go and run up your mouth, you hear? Me soon disconnect your line. You wait.
Hey boy, you see if you mess with my system, I send up some high voltage shock in your bloodstream and fly a blurt not brain like egg in a hot oil. You think me a jester? No ramp with me.
Anyway, me there on the last leg of the mile now. Give me the next turn here. You chat too damn much.
You come up on the intersection of Jefferson Street and Lombard Road. Since as you run late, my advice to you is to bust through the red light when the road clear.
No, O'Neill, don't do it. It's not safe. Better we late than sorry.
Hey, sweetness. You did a go on good all through the journey. Now is not the time to interfere into what is not your business. I give the directions. So sit back and relax yourself. Bust the light, brethren. Bust it, me say.
Alright, me I go through. Everything look clear from my end. Lord fire! Where the rat in the there come from? Jesus God. This is it. Skeeter Bimmer mash up to Rockotail.
You see that? I told you not to run the light. You made this unruly GPS tell you to break the light, and you're no better than that. Look at these crosses now.
He know, Spanish town. I hope Skeeto take a Dutch pot and bust in her head to mash up him crystals. It's sweet, me I say.
Dread, now you tell me if you run the bomb red light. Me can't believe this blouse and skirt shaggers in the night, yeah. Me not know where me I go tell Skeeto now to rotted.
Well, look like you have to go double up on the hustling, my youth. You mash up the man front end and have plenty money for repair that the damage there. This damage I got bleed out every last penny in your name. Don't be surprised if the data not left you go find a uptown youth with dollars a flow like Dunn's River.
Oh boy. Yes, Skeeto. And me, O'Neil. Yeah. I can't call if I tell you, say, me the accident on the Jefferson and Lombard intersection. No vex me, brethren. I the idiot GPS you have in the car tell me to run the red light and me like a damn fool go listen to it.
Yo! Not hell no light on me, aya. Me purposefully tell you to run the red light only if the coast clear. You drive out in the road like you think you're Batman in some Batmobile and make the man lick you. Talk the thing straight, liar boy.
Yeah, this arms house thing where this GPS thing I keep up with me, Skeeto. Trust me, man. Your GPS system shag up to the max. Me I go fix your car for you still. Don't worry yourself, my brethren. Alright. You're going to talk to that man here. I'm getting insurance information. I'm going to just turn back and drop off the car.
Sugar you. But your profile in a people car before you go and go trust one little Honda Civic from one car dealership.
Shut up, you blasted mouth. Don't say nothing more to me for the rest of the night, you dirty, stinking, drunker GPS, yo.
Hush. I saw it go. I better you did take one taxi and carry out the nice lady. This we teaching of a drive car when it belongs to you. Anyway, boss, my work here is done. Peace and unity in the community. Rasta GPS signing off.
Down on the low, we on top again. We no matter what them do, we no matter what they say them can't bring for we plan to no way, and we on top for sure. We no matter what them do, we no matter what them say. From you living out the world, you will go have a kind of problem. Some from your enemy, or some from your friend. But you know with the father, you bigger than them. If the men say you come and do follow them. One by one, them I go left you, my friend. Wicked people in the world, we know they condemn. Don't bring them now your life, do make them be your friend. Cause them come in your world, and I hit them more in a like crab in a bucket, like pig in a pen. So the whole of them want take you, my friend. Tell them to move and don't come again. You are God bless and you don't need them on top again. Yeah. We no matter what them do, we no matter what they say them can't bring free. We plan to no way, and we on top for sure. We no matter what them do, we no matter what they say them can't bring we down on the low. We on top again. We no matter what them do, we no matter what they say them can't bring free. We plan to no way, and we on top.
Epicflows. Always strike epic.